Hi, I'm Dr. Brad Mouroux, Clinic Director at Spine and Injury Medical Center. Do you suffer from pain in the hip, the knee, or the shoulder? Are you considering surgery for this? Do you take regular medications? Well, I'm here to tell you something about platelet-rich plasma as an alternative to drugs and surgery. What is platelet-rich plasma? Well, it's actually a naturally derived blood product from your own blood. We separate this blood into its two constituent parts, from red blood cells to plasma. We call the plasma liquid gold because it contains all the components like white blood cells, platelets, and growth factor that stimulates repair in the body. We use it for areas like shoulder, for labral tears, rotator cuff tears, joint arthritis, and adhesive capsulitis. And it helps to restore and repair function naturally without the use of drugs or debilitating surgery. We also use it in other areas like in the knees for meniscus tears, medial, lateral, and anterior collateral cruciate ligament tears. We use it to help repair the joint itself by restoring cartilage and bone damage. We use it in the hip also for arthritis, muscle, ligament, and tendon tears. And ultimately what we are looking to do is help use this therapy, which is very safe and it's actually naturally derived, so it has minimal to no side effects, and to help people get back into functioning and living their life the way they want to live it, whether it's going on a hike, taking the kids out to the amusement park, going biking, going running, getting you back to doing what you love without interfering with anything like surgery or medications. If you'd like to learn more about how we can do this, call and set up an appointment. We'd love to hear how we can help.